Morning class 3. I hope you all are doing good. Now today we are going to start our English grammar topic, that is pronouns. But before we start this particular topic, we must understand completely the grammar topic nouns. If we understand nouns, then we will be able to understand pronouns. So we all know that nouns are the names of place, animal, thing, or person. And to replace these nouns, we use pronouns. Okay? To replace the nouns, to take the place of nouns, we use pronouns. So the definition of pronoun goes like this. A pronoun is a word that replaces the name of a person or object, or we can say pronouns take the place of nouns. Now, what are pronouns? We understood that there are some words which are pronouns, and what are those words? They are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Now, all of these words which are there on your screen are pronouns. As you can see in the picture, there are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Okay, so we are going to learn about all of these pronouns today. Now, where do we use these pronouns? That we will understand now. First, let me begin with an example to make you understand why do we use pronouns. Why do we actually have to replace nouns with the pronoun? So there is an example given on your screen. Uncle John is coming to stay with us for 4 days. Uncle John will bring many sweets and toys for me. Uncle John will take me for a picnic. Now, could you notice one thing? That I have used the noun Uncle John 3 times. Doesn't it sound weird to repeat one noun again and again? Yes, to avoid this repetition of the nouns again and again, we use pronouns. Now you understand why do we use pronouns? Because to avoid the repetition of our nouns again and again. So in the first sentence, we will not replace Uncle John. We will keep it there like that. Uncle John is coming to stay with us for 4 days. But from the next sentence onwards, we will replace the noun Uncle John with our pronoun. And because Uncle John is a man, we will use the pronoun he. So he will bring many sweets and toys for me. He will take me for a picnic. So just like this, we have replaced our noun Uncle John with the pronoun he. So from this example, we understood that he is used for a boy or a man. For example, Ram is my friend. So Ram is a boy, right? So we can say he is a doctor. If we have to replace Ram noun with the pronoun, then we will use the pronoun he. He is a doctor. So whenever you are given a name of a boy or a man, you will use the pronoun he. She is used for a girl or a woman. So in the sentence, if you want to replace the name of a girl, name of a woman, then you will replace it with the pronoun she. For example, Priya is a singer. She is very beautiful. So here she has been used for Priya. It is used for animal or things. Okay, so whenever we are talking about any animal or whenever we are talking about anything, okay, pencil, rubber, eraser, desk, then we use the pronoun it. For example, this is an elephant. It is very strong. So to replace elephant, we have used the pronoun it. You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. So whenever you're talking to someone who is present in front of you, what you will do? You will talk to that person by addressing him or her by you. You are coming to my party, okay? You are going to play with me. So if that person is present in front of you and you're talking to them, you use the pronoun you. You are a smart boy, okay? As you can see in the picture, there is a woman who is talking to a boy and she says that you are a smart boy. We is used when you're talking about yourself along with others. So when you're including yourself, when you're telling about yourself along with some other people, then you use pronoun we. We are studying. But when you're not including yourself, when you're only telling anything about other people, when you're not involving yourself, then you say they are playing football. Then you use the pronoun they. I is again a pronoun. I is used when you're talking about yourself, when you're giving out information about yourself. Then you use I. My name is Abhishek. I am 6 years old. Now, when you're framing your sentences with these pronouns, you must understand that we always use am with I, is with he, she, and it, are with we, you, and they. Now, I have attached some of the exercise for your understanding. First one is John scored the highest marks. So John is the name of a boy. We will replace it with he. Elvis went for shopping yesterday. So which pronoun we will use? So Elvis is talking about itself here. So we will use the pronoun I. I went for shopping yesterday. I and Jimmy went for shopping yesterday. So, which pronoun we will use? We. Yes. So, we went for shopping yesterday. The cat plays with the yarn. So, which pronoun we will use? For an animal, it. It plays with the yarn. So these were some of your pronouns, which I hope you have understood well. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.